Howdy guys. Well, I've been doing some more work on this RC, or brushless hub motor. Trying to figure out if I want to do belt drive or a chain drive. And come up with a bunch of different solutions. One thing I found pretty cool is the way this was set up. That's the original setup there, and then they just had this here, and then there was a pull start on that. That was like to start the motor. So that sits inside there like that. It's flush, as you can see, with the two bolts. If you take a cluster apart from the back of a bicycle, you end up with gears like that. Different sizes, obviously. You can tailor your gear ratio, because I'm basically going to be mounting this on the bottom of the bike, down by the crank. So you can go with different sizes if you need be. So that's pretty cool. So I've started to build it now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the crank. I was originally going with the belt drive, but then I changed my mind. This bike's old, so I'm going to brutalize it. I'm going to remove the crank from the arm, leave both arms pointing down so I have somewhere to put my feet, obviously, or pointing forward. And then I'm going to mount that motor down where the crank would be. The side, I'm going to bolt it to here, and then I'm going to have a side arm to keep it from torquing to here. And then the chain will basically just go around that. And that'll be it. We'll be able to test it. But I wanted to share that. That's pretty cool. Let's see if I put the chain on it. Look like that. There's still lots of room there to play with. So, it's cool. Later.